Hello students, welcome to social science class 9. You see one information is there on the blackboard, and on the basis of this information you can uh, write one answer, and the question is, it is from page number 23, class 9, social science, history. What were the efforts made by the British to establish trade relation with India? Analyze the step by which they succeeded. हमको उन स्टेप्स के बारे में डिस्कस करना है जो अंग्रेज़ों ने भारत के साथ व्यापार संबंध स्थापित करने में लिया था. What step did the British take in establishing the trade relation with India? तो first step you see, Francis Drake, the name of a English sailor, and he circumnavigated the whole globe in 1580. He circumnavigated the whole globe and created a sensation. ये सेंसेशन कैसे हो गया? क्योंकि उस समय तक लोग ये समझते थे कि अगर धरती पर अगर हम नाव में यात्रा करेंगे तो धरती इज फ्लैट, द अर्थ इज फ्लैट, और एक जगह आएगा जहाँ से नाव गिर जाएगी, बहुत नीचे चली जाएगी. दिस वाज द बिलीफ, एंड दिस माइथ वाज ब्रोकन बाय फ्रांसिस ड्रेक इन 1580. 1580 में इसने सिद्ध कर दिया कि पृथ्वी गोल है और आप जहाँ से चलेंगे वहीं पहुँच जाएंगे. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट फ्रांसिस ड्रेक का है. उसके बाद में राल्फ फिच 1584. राल्फ फिच was also an English sailor. He came to India and Burma, and he saw the huge wealth and riches of India, and when he went back to England, he also created a sensation regarding the huge wealth and riches of India, and the merchant class made up their mind to establish trade relation with India. तो ये दो पॉइंट आप देख रहे हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट, कैप्टन हॉकिंग्स केम टू द कोर्ट ऑफ जहांगीर. नहीं, इसके पहले एक और पॉइंट है, कैप्टन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. अब इन दोनों ने ऐसा सेंसेशन क्रिएट किया इंग्लैंड में कि इस मर्चेंट्स, द ब्रिटिश मर्चेंट्स started planned to form a company. As a result, East India Company was formed in 1600 AD. और मार्की की बात यह है कि इस कंपनी में ऐसे मर्चेंट्स को लाया गया who were devoid of all humanly feelings and emotions, who could do everything for their trade, commerce and profit. ऐसे लोगों को भर्ती किया गया कि ऐसे लोगों की ये कंपनी बनी जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू नो, इन देन Milden Hall became the first man to come to the court of Akbar. Milden Hall was a self-styled ambassador of the King of England. He came to the court of Akbar and received some trade facilities from him. After that, you know, that person, Captain Hawkins, came to India. He came to the court of as an ambassador of James I, perhaps. He was James I ambassador. He came to the court of uh, yes court of Jahangir, and he had a letter from petition letter from uh, King James I first. Then ambassador he was. He received some trade, permission for creating English settlement in Surat. He received such permission from Jahangir. Then uh, Thomas Roe came to India. Thomas Roe in 1615. Thomas Roe came to India. He also came to the court of Jahangir. He received permission for the establishment of uh, a trade center at Surat. Then one the first trade center. The first trade center was established in Masalipattanam by the permission of the king of Golconda, and this was the first trade center established by the British in Masalipattam in 1611 AD, and the company received permission from the king of Golconda. Then in 1636 one trade center was also established. Second trade center was established at it is 1636 at Armagaon, but this trade center was shifted to Madras and it was renamed as Saint Fort George, and it happened in 1639. अब इसके बाद तो एक 100 साल का लीप आप ले सकते हैं, 100 साल का लीप मैं कह रहा हूँ. उसके पहले इन 1661 बॉम्बे आइलैंड केम अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. और ये भी कहानी है कि दैट टाइम किंग चार्ल्स फर्स्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड, Charles II of England married the Portuguese Princess Catherine, or Catherine and that time the island of Bombay was under the control of the Portuguese. So the King of Portugal gave this island to the King of England as a dowry gift. And later the king transferred this island to the British East India Company. और फिर उसके पहले आप देखेंगे 1690 one officer of the company named Job Charnock. Job Charnock laid the foundation of Calcutta city in 1690 by combining 3 villages in Bengal, and those villages were Kalighat, Sutanuti and Govindapur. ये 3 विलेज को बनाया उन्होंने. और अब 100 साल के बाद का लीप है. हम लोग यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं फारूक सियर फरमान in 17 you see Farooq Seer Farman in 1715. Farooq Seer Farman 1715. Farooq Seer was a Mughal emperor, and he was suffering from a serious disease. That time a delegation of 2 Englishmen came to meet him, and one of the delegation was surgeon. He cured Farooq Seer from the pain of disease, and Farooq Seer became very happy. By this activity the company received one farman from the Mughal Emperor Farooq Shir. That farman gave the company to do trade in Bengal without paying any you see duty free trade was allowed to the company in Bengal, and duty free trade was also allowed in Mughal Deccan. दक्षिण भारत में जो मुगल का जहाँ तक शासन था और बंगाल में जो उनका शासन था, इन जगहों पर फ्री ट्रेड की परमिशन दे दी। और इस तरीके से आप देखेंगे कि कंपनी जो एक याचक के रूप में जहांगीर के, अकबर के दरबार में कंपनी के जो लोग आए थे वो यहाँ के राजा बन गए। तो आप ये जो कुछ पॉइंट्स है इसको डेवलप कर लेंगे किताब को देख के, तो आपका ये आंसर हो जाएगा। आप प्रयास कीजिए। थैंक यू।